Today we are reviewing Nikon Z30 vlogging camera bundle with Nikon Z DX 15-50mm lens in black. A mirrorless camera designed to appeal to creators, vloggers, and streamers. Nikon's Z30 mirrorless 4K camera has a wide-angle zoom lens of 16 to 50mm that's versatile and easy to use. A professional video camera is capable of capturing finely blurred backgrounds, outstanding low light performance with outstanding image stabilization, as well as crisp 4K resolution with autofocus and eye tracking for people and pets. The camera includes a flip-out touchscreen, selfie monitor, a built-in stereo microphone with adjustable sensitivity, a red REC light, and a smartphone app that lets you control the camera using a compatible phone. It's easy to live stream with plug-and-play technology from your webcam, smooth full HD 60p streaming on USB-C, smooth 4K 30p streaming on HDMI, and constant power using USB-C. In this kit, you'll be able to master a wide range of photographic techniques and abilities. In addition, you will be able to expand your capabilities over time as you master Nikon's wide range of outstanding Nikon Z lenses. This was review for Nikon Z30 vlogging camera bundle